It's so important to stick to the basics. Guess what, guys? We're actually about to do some vinyl floors. Thanks for coming back, checking me out. This carpet cleaning with Dreddy. Today, we're doing vinyl floors. We actually, setting up right now. Basically, this particular job, we gotta scrub it and then extract it out with the tile one. All right. Everything has been laid down already. Very light solution, not too much. And now what I'm doing now is just actually buffing the vinyl. Sometimes you gotta get in there. But guys, thanks for coming back. Hey, do me a favor. Can you subscribe? Subscribe, please. Go down, click. It just take 1 second. All right. I'm gonna keep putting up content, and this is to inspire these young guys. Yo, get a skill. Find a skill. All right. You have painting. You got carpet cleaning. You got installing vinyl floors. You got installing tile. These skills are needed. I like it. How this came out, was pretty good. The resident was happy. He was there the whole time. Definitely, it wasn't the worst looking vinyl, especially when we deal with these college kids. It could be anything. Very black, nasty, and grungy. But this one came out really good. It didn't take a long time, and afterwards, the flooring still had its shine. Okay, depending on the chemicals, sometimes the shine could be lost, and then you gotta re-wax it. Hey, guys, thank you for coming by. You see, hey, I need 2 mops. You know what I mean? You need 2 mops sometime. But thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.